on to our top focus story this afternoon. It's going to be a big day in court for actor Salman Khan with a hearing in the Black Buck hit and run case coming up today. The Supreme Court will be hearing the 1998 Black Buck poaching case, and more witnesses are expected to depose in the hit and run case before the Mumbai Sessions Court, where Salman Khan is likely to be present. The Supreme Court, in its last hearing in the poaching case, was critical of the relief granted by the actor granted to the actor by the Rajasthan High Court, saying that staying the conviction in the case. The observation assumed importance as Salman in his affidavit had told the court that he had always been treated as an ordinary citizen by the courts and never been given any special privileges. Meanwhile, more witnesses are expected to depose in the hit and run case in Mumbai. In an earlier hearing, a parking attendant from the JW Marriott Hotel had told the court that he had seen the actor in the driver's seat. He had also claimed that the actor had given him a tip of 500 rupees. When cross-examined, the witness also said that singer Kamal Khan was present with Salman in the car. My colleague Amrita Shedge now joins me live from the Mumbai Sessions Court. Amrita, crucial witnesses likely to depose today, especially after the parking attendant in fact came out and said that he in fact had seen actor Salman Khan in the driver's seat. What are we likely to see happen today?
Rushika, right now the hearing of the case has started in Sessions Court. I'm standing just outside Sessions Court, and hearing it started around 11 this morning. But Salman Khan is not there, is not present. Even before the hearing, Salman Khan's lawyer said that there is no compulsion of Salman Khan being present for this hearing. But what we are getting now, there are two evidences inside the court. One of them is Chunky Pandey's brother,
right,
Alok Pandey, and the hearing is going on. We will get the information. Will get the details of what had happened exactly in just next few hours. But yes, Salman Khan is not present here.
Right.
What we are getting from our sources that Salman Khan is in Delhi and shooting for his film, and so he is not coming here. And also the another family reason given by him is his sister is getting married in next week, and because of that he's busy in family functions, and that is the reason given by his lawyer also, that Salman Khan will not come here for the hearing. Back to you.
Amrita, but we were given to understand that it is in fact crucial for Salman Khan to be present in court at that hearing today. But what you're clearly picking up from your sources is that the lawyer has in fact confirmed to the Mumbai Sessions Court that Salman Khan will not be appearing for the hearing today.
Yes, that is what we are getting from Salman Khan's lawyer. He clearly said before going into the court, he talked to some media people outside the court, and he said that there is no compulsion of Salman Khan's presence in the court, because he had some shootings going on in Delhi also,
right,
and in Big Boss shootings are going on in Mumbai. But now he's shooting for some film in Delhi, and also the family reasons, as I said, that his sister is getting married, and because
right,
of that he's very busy in such things. And he had given idea of that. He had given idea of for this entire arrangements, for this entire things, whatever he is doing, his shooting, his family functions. He had given this idea to court, and because of that maybe the court has given his permission, given him the permission to not to present in the court.
All right. Also, Amrita, take us through what we're likely to see happen today in court. We understand that there are more witnesses who are likely to depose against Salman Khan.
Definitely, there are more witnesses likely to depose in court. Now also there are two witnesses, as I said, that one of them is Chunky Pandey's brother, Alok Pandey. As we know that in last hearing also there were two witnesses, two of them identified Salman Khan. One of them clearly said that Salman Khan was the person who was driving the SUV car in 2002 when the incident happened.
Right.
The second one was the hotel's parking security guard. He also said that he was the person, Salman Khan was the person who was driving the SUV car. Initially the charges were not that serious against Salman Khan. The charge was there of negligence in driving and rash driving, but now the charges on Salman Khan are more serious, and because of that it is definitely the trouble is there for Salman Khan. But we have to wait and watch when Salman Khan comes. Maybe he come in the next hearing of this case. Back to you.
Well, absolutely, trouble is in fact mounting for Salman Khan. Khan, because there are twin hearings that are underway currently at the Supreme Court in the 1998 Black Buck case, as well as the Mumbai Session Court in that crucial hit and run case. The latest that we are in fact getting in from the Supreme Court is that previously, remember, the court was critical of the reprieve that was granted to Salman Khan in the Black Buck case by the Rajasthan High Court, and the latest that is in fact coming in at this point in time is that the court has reserved the order in the Black Buck case. This is of course in the Black Buck case of 1998 where the Supreme Court has in fact reserved the order. My colleague Jaskirat Singh Bawa is joining me live from the national capital. Jaskirat, the order has been reserved by the Supreme Court in the Black Buck case. Take us through the details.
Well, today was the final argument in this case where the Rajasthan government in July of this year had approached the Supreme Court against the Rajasthan High Court order of December 2013, wherein the Rajasthan High Court has suspended Salman Khan's sentence, basically stunting his conviction. The whole issue started with Salman Khan appealing to the Rajasthan High Court to suspend the sentence because his sentence of 5 years was not allowing him to travel to United Kingdom for work, because United Kingdom rules forbid anyone who has a conviction of over 4 years from actually getting a visa to travel to their country.
Right.
This matter reached the Supreme Court when Rajasthan government appealed against the High Court order, and today the Supreme Court has reserved its order after hearing arguments on both sides and will probably pass a proper order judgment in the next 1 month or so.
All right, the latest that is coming in from the Supreme Court is that the order in the 1998 Black Buck case has in fact been reserved by the Apex Court. This after the Apex Court took a very critical view of the reprieve that was granted to actor Salman Khan by the Rajasthan High Court. And Jaskirat Singh Bawa just pointing out to us that the matter is likely to come up for hearing in the next 1 month.